Hey everyone, welcome back. Do you really know what your Android phone is doing behind the scenes? Because there are some settings that can quietly expose more information than you realize. And the worst part is that you might never notice them running. Your location, your notifications, your app permissions, even sensitive information stored on your device. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 Android settings you should check right now if you want a better privacy and security. Let's get started. Step 1. Hide sensitive notifications. First, open Settings. In the search bar, type Notification. Tap Lock Screen Notifications. You can also find it under the Privacy and Security section, and depending on your phone, you can also see it as Hide Sensitive Content. Turn this on or set it to Don't Show Notification Content depending on your phone. Because think about what normally appears on your lock screen. Private messages, emails, OTP codes, banking alerts. Someone doesn't even need to unlock your phone to see some of that information. It hides sensitive content, keeps the notification visible while hiding the actual message until your phone is unlocked. Step 2. Revoke unnecessary app permissions. Next, check your app permissions. Go back to the main settings. This time, search for Permission Settings. Now, look at which apps can access your location, camera, and microphone. Review every permission here. Then, ask yourself one simple question. Does this app really need that access? If a basic game or a random app has access to your location for no obvious reason, then you probably don't need to give it that permission. For apps that genuinely need location access, choose Allow only while using the app whenever possible. Don't just give every app access and forget about it. Step 3. Block unknown app installations. Now this one is important. Go back to the settings again. Search for Install Unknown Apps. You'll see apps such as Chrome or your file manager that may have permission to install apps from outside the Play Store. For apps that don't need this permission, make sure it is turned off. Why? Because allowing apps to install unknown applications could potentially bypass one of Android's important security layers. A malicious app could potentially install something you never intended to have on your phone. For most people, the safest option is simple. Download your apps from trusted sources such as the Google Play Store. Step 4. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Go back. Go to Location. Then tap Location Services. Look for Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. If you don't need these features, turn them off. Your normal GPS location will still work without these scanning options, and you're stopping your phone from constantly scanning for nearby Wi-Fi networks and Bluetooth devices. And when they're turned on, they drain your battery fast. It's a small privacy setting that many people simply never check. Step 5. Secure your autofill settings. And finally, check your Google Password Manager settings. Go to Settings, open Google, tap All Services, scroll down and look for Autofill with Google. Here, open Preferences. Now look at these 3 options. First, make sure Authenticate with Screen Lock or Biometrics before filling payment methods is turned on. Then, find Authenticate with Biometrics before filling passwords and turn it on if it's off. This adds another layer of protection before your saved passwords are automatically filled. And if you want to keep sensitive payment information more private, turn Save Security Codes off. You don't need to disable autofill completely, you're simply making it more secure and giving yourself more control over what Google Password Manager can automatically fill. These settings aren't going to make your Android completely invisible or magically stop all tracking, but they can reduce unnecessary access and give you much more control over what your phone and your apps are allowed to do. So take a minute and check these 5 settings today. If this really helps you protect your privacy, subscribe for more privacy and security tips. Thanks for watching.